Hi there friends, welcome back to my channel on What's Cooking. Today I'm Perfect Eats. If you guys are new here, my name is Emma and I make easy breezy recipes for those of you guys who are new to cooking. So today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite recipes to make butter chicken. Let's get started. So we're going to start by marinating our chicken breast, which I've already cut into cubes, and now we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of chili powder, sprinkle a generous amount of garlic powder, and add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of minced ginger, and we're going to set it aside. And now moving on to the rest of our ingredients, we're going to need 1 large red onion, 2 large tomatoes, 2 inch of ginger, 50 grams of cashews, some minced garlic, garam masala, salt and sugar. Start adding 1.5 tablespoons of ghee over a medium flame into your pan. And we're going to add in all of our sliced up ingredients like the tomatoes, onions and ginger. Right here I'm also adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of garlic, and I'm going to give it all a good toss. And don't forget to add in your cashews into the mix as well and give it all a good fry. For extra kick of flavor, we're going to add in a tablespoon of garam masala, a tablespoon of chili powder, as well as a tablespoon of sugar. I'm also adding a couple of salt to taste. Last but not least, I'm adding about a 1/4 cup of water, and I'm just gonna give it a good stir and let it simmer for a while. So in fact, at this point of time, I've allowed it to simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes, and it's time to transfer it into our blender. With this, we're gonna turn it into a rich, creamy gravy. Now back to the same pan, I'm adding some more ghee, and this time I am going to fry the marinated chicken cubes. So as you wait for the chicken to fry, I'm going to stand by my strainer and I'm going to pour in the gravy that we blended earlier, and using this strainer method, we are going to create some smooth and creamy gravy for our butter chicken. This is going to require a little bit of work, but the results are so worth it, you guys. It's going to be so smooth and creamy. Continue to let it cook as we add another tablespoon of sugar into the mix. Give it a good stir before we start adding in another tablespoon of garam masala. Last but definitely not the least, we're going to add in a tablespoon of butter and just lower down the flame and cover it with a lid, and we're going to allow it to cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. And that's it, you guys, we're all finished. Now to top it off, I'll add in some cooking cream and we're done. I hope you guys give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. In my next episode, I will show you how to make some ghee rice so that you can pair it with this recipe of butter chicken. And so be sure to follow us on Perfect Eats on Instagram and look out for the next video. Bye!